Jamaican singer, real top singer, international singer. We don't talk about no backyard around the road. See? Yeah, man, we are introduced to you original nature.
Original produce artists, produce rhythm and some herbs and shit up on the diaper. So you must know how long that me I tell you about global.
Super chill champion sound. Champion sound is going down. Champion sound, you're going to die. Super chin, shoot to bullseye. And I tell you loud, jumping sound, you're gonna die. No matter how your friends are cry. Super chiller, real sound killer, killer sound boy tonight.
Yes, I. Yeah, man, I don't know, say Emmanuel Chin Earthstrong enough, so can't go wrong enough. We have to find a way in this direction. We'll find the action. Yeah! Respect to the world self-reliance family, you don't know a thing going on. Emmanuel Chin, one of the realists, you know. So all the real things can go on, see? Do it! Should pause the most high, respect everyone in the house. Emmanuel Chin, call and Jah. Yeah! We call on Jah. Hey. Jah anoint and appoint time to conquer the evil. Emmanuel Chin conquer the evil. Yeah, yeah. Jah give us the strength and the power to conquer the enemies. Yeah. Yes, I. So I think going on. And the Almighty Emmanuel Chin the strength and the power they are seeing way through all these years, you know. Share the musical joy, you know. Anoint and appoint Emmanuel Chin once more, Jah. Yes, self-reliance. Nature, Ellis, Jah is the highest science. They better recognize, we got the strength and the power to conquer the enemies. Yeah. From I youth, I hail up the Trinity. Yes, yeah. Take all the strength and the power to defeat the enemies. Yeah. From I youth, I hail up His Majesty. Yeah. Wicked came to eat thy flesh and they stumble and fail. I call and judge, leave them in the bottomless pit in hell. Emmanuel dwell in the secret place of the Most High, Most High. So he abided under the shadows of the Almighty. Yeah, we got the strength and the power to conquer the enemies. Yeah, from Emmanuel and youth, Emmanuel of the Trinity. Yes, Emmanuel Chin, you got the strength and the power to defeat the enemies. Yeah, the fire youth, I hail up His Majesty. Yeah, don't let them poison your mind, mankind. I know you are wise, so stop act as if you are blind. Look within yourself, the truth is in no one else. Greater is in you than which is in the world. You got the strength and the power to conquer the enemies. Yeah, from Emmanuel Chin and youth, Emmanuel of the Trinity. Yes, we got the strength and the power to defeat the enemies. Yeah, self-reliance artists of youth, Emmanuel of His Majesty. Yeah, respect one another, Rastafari stand us. us the strength and the power to conquer the enemies. Yeah, from Emmanuel to the be my hero, His Majesty. Warrior warriors, never cease from praying. They said Reliance, Emmanuel. They said the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You know, see the evil in my world. Yeah, man. Sometimes we're on the trotty now, and some whatever general.
Don't move. You man say, prayer can't too much. Tell them again, can I check your drop business?
Yeah, man, more time we go through some trials and tribulations, you know, and you know. We have to do the Almighty work, and here comes another obstacle sometimes, but we have to just pray. And know, say, yo, that's how the thing set, because once the Almighty is with us, who can be against us? No matter what give them against, they cannot win. Because the Almighty shoot and shall endure forever. So you don't know. So let's do this, a prayer we say, you know. I love the only thing. Fire warriors, never cease from praying. Oh Lord, listen the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You know see the devil in my work so much. The prayer can't too much, can't too much. Go down on your knees and pray. Listen the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You know see the iniquity in my work so much. The prayer can't too much, can't too much. Go down on your knees and pray. Well, at the first the world I see so much murderer. At first the world I see so much sorcerer, so much pedophile, and so much rapist. I realize it. Only man when I think so last night. Give thanks and praise to the Almighty. Emmanuel, we wish you much more Earthstrong, you know, more life and prosperity, you know, but I want to tell you I say. The Almighty guide and protect you through so many, you know what I mean? And we just wish the eye more joy, more health, you know what I mean? All the good things that the eye desire. So last year I know.
Yeah, man, I give thanks to all of the item energy scene. A long time I'm there in the earth, you know. Yeah, man. They are climb the hillside speed, you see. So I'm thankful for see one more and big up my singer for all the past and I bless me, the St. Reliance crew, Crackers. Big up Steve, the whole crew with there, everyone seeing represent. Manuel said enough love. Do it, the singer.
Yes, man, you see what going on in the island and all over the world, you know. All type of things are going, man-made diseases and all these bombs and ammunition and all these, you know what I mean? Yeah, but you know, let us unite and do our best, you know what I mean, to advance the welfare of the human race. See? Because we're all in this thing together. Let us pray, because I know that word sound is power. In the beginning was the word, and the word was with the Almighty, and the word was the Almighty. Let's do this with the powers of the Almighty same way, because the word sound and power. That's right. Warrior warriors, never cease from praying. Oh, Skeptydubs, we say the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You know see the devil in my work so much. The prayer can't too much, can't too much. Go down on your knees and pray. We say the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You know see the iniquity in my work so much. The prayer can't too much, can't too much. Go down on your knees and pray. Well, on the first the world I see so much murderer. And first the world I see so much sorcerer, so much pedophile and so much rapist. I realize them even killing babies. Well, I chant this prayer for them. I chant this prayer for them. Because we know, last year I know let's guide and protect us on this journey. Back to feeling. Let's do it. The pause of the Most High. Prayer. Yes, man. Yeah, come on. Prayer warriors, never cease from praying. Oh Lord, they say the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You know see the devil in my work so much. The prayer can't too much, can't too much. Go down on your knees and pray. We say the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You see the iniquity, them a work so much, the prayer can't too much, can't too much. Go down on your knees and pray. Well, at the first the world I see so much murderer. At the first the world I see so much sorcerer, so much pedophile and so much rapist. I realize them even killing babies. Well, I chant this prayer for them. I chant this fire for them, because we not friend them. I eating and cheating them. They say the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You know see the devil in my work so much, the prayer can't too much, can't too much. Go down on your knees and pray. They say the prayer can't too much. You know see the devil in my, what the prayer do? They say you can't too much, can't. Go down on your knees and pray. Alright then. Well, every day you don't drop a pie. Them shoot down and live and them kill a papaya. Hey, what is this? Me I behold with my eyes. The leaders are promote slackness under disguise. And so much deados. And the funeral follow them still overload. No space in the cemetery, because them never listen to Marcus Garvey. They say the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You know see the devil in my work so much, the prayer can't too much. Go down on your knees and pray. They say the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You know see the iniquity in my work so much, the prayer can't too much, can't too much. Go down on your knees and pray. Prayer warriors, oh Lord, never cease from praying. Oh no, I say pray, night and day, pray. Oh yes, I say pray, yeah. Me say the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You know see the devil in my work so much, the prayer can't too much, can't too much. Go down on your knees and pray. You say the prayer can't too much, can't too much. You see the iniquity in my work so much, the prayer can't too much, can't too much. Go down on your knees and pray. Well, at the first the world I see so much murderer. At the first the world I see so much sorcerer, so much pedophile and so much rapist. I realize them even killing babies. I chant this fire for them. Chant this fire for them. Friends, Reliance, not friends. One for love, respect. That's what I know. Respect our manners now. Yes, one more job. Alright, Emmanuel children, I birthday Virgin knows and request another one. So of course. So last day, I respect every artist in the house, you know. Are real people, very great ones, you know. So last day, so much names, you know. Yeah man, give thanks. Let's do this, alright. Go ahead and send them soul sing. All you want is your soul. Let you take control. Yes, I well up and sell them soul. Feed them on the devil payroll. But yes, I now sell the soul now. Yeah man, because when the flesh shall, you know, deceive you and fail you. The soul is what the Almighty resignate in, you know. Let's do this after about this life. All you want is your soul. Let you take control. Yes, I well up and sell them soul. Feed them on the devil payroll. But I hold on steady. Seek Rastafari begging. Yes, I the music of David, you know. So that's why no nature Ellis stay alive in living colors now. Yes, I all you have is your soul. Yes, I respect the whole place. Yes, I. All you have is your soul. Let you take control. Yes, I. Well up and sell them soul. Feed them on the devil payroll. Self-reliance all unsteady. Seek Rastafari. a hold on steady. Secrets not already. Yeah. Hear about them parchment paper. Some say them a walk out, yeah. You all love them brothers and them sisters. They will do anything for the paper. They don't have no self-control. Babylon capture them soul. They don't have no love anymore. Their character is on the floor. Cause they must sell them soul. Be them on the devil payroll. But I hold on steady. Secret stuff alright, baby. Fill up and sell them soul. Be them on the devil payroll. Nature is hold on steady. Secret stuff alright, baby. Yeah. Well, I was anointed for this. I was appointed for this. If the can come and I have been for this. One to one, I want to this. The most I protect my life. So we give thanks for day and night. The most I protect our life. I'm more like one more life. Got them and sell them soul. We them for the devil payroll. But I hold on steady. Secret stuff alright, baby. Well up and sell them soul. We them for the devil payroll. Major Ellis a hold on steady. Secret stuff alright, baby. Watch out. Instead of us a 9mm, Rama said no rita. When I try to bust a wine to the beta, instead of us a rifle, drop in the Bible. Fuck your urban, get high like the eye for you. You know what me must know the gaza. This a big ring of money in a big bag. Jump a bus them very top on them brother and them sister. They no quantity that no rich and me now a 50 caliber. With no banana clip. Come in and stick around with the llama kick. 6 pounds put no man on the trip. You a style of see?
Yes, singer.
What you say?
Singer. No point.
What?
No, just hold it. Hold on. Go for what you said. You sing one more. You sing on.
Well, the man mentioned again, I'm Earthstrong, birthday bridge in it. And him say another one. So what should I do? A female Earthstrong, you know. See, so you know, it's that song and you hold on. This song was produced by Art of Love Production. Respect every time to record a baby gardener. And that song you send me a road officially where I hear this song on the radio and we can see myself on television. So respect every time, no matter where they in the place, in the world, record a gardener, Art of Love, whole heap of respect because you have to remember where you're coming from, the people who give that strength there. Respect to King Jammy's same way. You don't know this at the college, you know what I mean, you get certain knowledge same way. You know? So respect every time, Self-Reliance family. You don't know anything going on. It's last time I go on. Emmanuel Chine, Earthstrong, yes, they want the one because the one of these title, hold on, you know. So last time I know. This song was one of my songs that put I out there, you know, start travel all over in the US, Europe, all over Australia and all over, you know. Respect every time again. Let's do this. It's last time. This one is titled Hold On. Nature say keep on the right track. Keep on the right track. Keep on the right track. Oh, oh, for what you believe in. Never let them stop your flow. Once more, Jaja, you are working. Evil spirits got to go. They say the fittest of the fittest shall survive. Hold on to Jah, and I know you will stay alive. I say, hold on, hold on. The battle must be won. Hold on, my people. It's a motivational song, you know, hold on. Nature say keep on the right track. Keep on the right track. Keep on the right track. Oh yeah. Go for what you believe in. Never let them stop your flow. I know for time and Welchin is working. got to go. They say the fittest of the fittest shall survive. Hold on to church and I know you will stay alive. I say, hold on, hold on. The battle must be won. Hold on, hold on. My people, yeah. Hold on, hold on. The battle must be won. Hold on, my people, yeah. Do not let them intimidate you. Your goals you got to pursue. Never let them mislead you. Oh no, keep doing what you say you should do. Take your hopes and dreams and make them reality. Remember you are daughters and sons of the Almighty. I say, hold on, hold on. The battle must be won. Hold on, my people, yeah. Hold on. The battle must be won. Hold on, my people, yeah. Mountains we got to climb. Oh yeah, one day we'll get through. Rivers we got to cross. Not gonna drown, we got to meet the boss. Go for what you believe in, and never ever let them stop your flow. Love, respect, manners, Ellis boss, you know. Emmanuel Chin, respect and manners. Jado. You are. Where you say freedom? What are the birthday virgin say to you? Express yourself. Everyone should be able to express themselves freely. Freedom, yeah. Freedom. The joy to be free. Very important that we can speak our minds, you know. That Babylon and try to stop, but we have to speak because that's the knowledge forward, see? Yeah. Express yourself. Everyone should be able to express themselves freely. Freedom, yeah. Freedom. Freedom, so that they can speak. Nature Ellis, I say, freedom, yeah. Freedom. You should be free to speak. Yeah. We need free speech so that the messenger can teach. So the people realize Babylon's crooked lies. Free up your messenger so that your words can reach ya. Free up your messenger, messenger of truth and rights. Yeah, freedom, yeah. Freedom, so that they can speak. Yeah. Freedom, yeah. Yes, I'm free for you and I'm free to know. You should be free to speak, yeah. We like a Marco speech, like the world and lyrics. Free like Malcolm X and Martin Luther King's speech. So many lose their lives because they speak the truth. Malcolm X and Martin Luther King got executed, but still we have to freedom, yeah. Freedom, so that they can speak. Freedom, yeah. Freedom, you should be free to speak. you can learn. Yes, the problem and teach so you can learn. Yes, the 12 tribe teach so you can learn. Yeah, free the dove, yeah. Freedom, say freedom for you, free the dove, so that they can. Yes, freedom, but I free the dove, yeah. Free the dove, should be free to speak. Yeah, yeah. Free speech, yeah. It's last time. Ladies, we should be together. We've been through so many things. Your bags and ready to go. And stick around and take it slow. I know I can't change your mind. All I'm asking is one more night. Yeah. This one is from the Awaken album, you know. So that's nice.
You see that one I'm a singer, that one I have a real classic one I love. Yeah man. So sing it out, my singer.
Give a thanks, Rasta. I'm Earthstrong, you know. So we can't go wrong, you know. But we don't sing. So, you know. This one's for you and yours. Yeah, I don't want you to leave, no, no. You might look at the Empress and say something like this. We should be together. We'll be so many things now. You packed your bags and ready to go. Let's stick around and take it slow. I know I can change your mind. All I'm asking is one more night. No ups and downs in relationships. Let's come together, bring back the magic. It's not for long that we can fix. Baby, don't leave me like this. Love me for the last time. Before you say goodbye to me. Ladies, lady, I don't want you to leave, no, we should be together. We'll be through so many things now. So you pack your bags and ready to go. Let's sit around and take it slow. I know I can't change your mind. All I'm asking is one more night. The ups and downs in relationships. Let's come together, bring back the magic. It's not forgone that we can fix. Baby, don't leave me like this. Love me for the last time. Oh, before you say goodbye to me. Love me for the last time. Before you say goodbye to me. Yeah. I don't wanna see you go. Not enough to let you know you mean more than all the world to me. Wish that I could change your mind or bring back the years of time. Baby, won't you please be mine? Yeah, last time. Before you say goodbye to me.
said some things I shouldn't have said. Can't get you out of my head. And I've done some things I shouldn't have done. But all I need is you. And I've said some things I shouldn't have said. Can't get you out of my head. I've done some things, baby. Yeah. Love me for the last time. Yeah. Before you say goodbye to me. Love me for the last. I'm gonna do one more song and move. I'm one more song and move, you know. Unforgettable. You were so remarkable. Ooh, yeah. Alright. We will be taking a train. Want to see you all over and over again. Well, this one is titled Karen, and it's on the Revolution Choice album. See? Unforgettable. You were so remarkable. Ooh, yeah. Alright. We will be taking a train. Yeah. Want to see you all over and over again. Alright. I need you more than a friend. Want to see you again and again. Just a smile on your face and your warm embrace. And if you don't feel the same, what a shame. Wanna see you again. I don't want this to end. This tingling feeling in my soul. Alright, I will be taking a train. Yeah. I wanna see you all over and over again. What's her name? Alright, I need you more than a friend. Want to see you again and again. Loving you was a crime. I'm sure it breaks the law. 'Cause when I look in your eyes, I see no flaws. You're like a beautiful lily in the valley, created just for me. Please don't slip away. Stand by me. What's her name? Huh? I will be taking a train. Want to see you all over and over again. Wait, they're too far. I'll take a plane then. Alright, I need you more than a friend. Want to see you again and again. With you, I wanna spend my life. Yeah, picture it slow your style. With you, I wanna spend my life. Yeah, picture it slow your style. Alright, I will be taking a train. I wanna see you all over and over again. Be online. And sometimes we really take a taxi. Sometimes a Corolla, sometimes a Boxy. Sometimes me pick her up, meet her down a Maxi. Happy me eye woman, I know you want for me. And sometimes when she dead too far, I take a plane. And sometimes when she really dead too far, I take a train. And sometimes go to Italy, sometimes I go to Spain. And sometimes down to Africa, just the same. Hey, alright, we'll be taking a train. Hey, I wanna see you all over and over again. Alright, I
looking at you, bang.
Yes.
Wallets, you know. I don't want to hide them things saying nice a Mike Shark, you know. But the birthday, brother, I say, you gotta get the ganja tune, because you know, he might not smoke a lot right now, but the original herbalist, man is to smoke the chalice, you know. I mean, I'm really reason, but see there. Alright, so, me and China, Emmanuel China, I drink for a while, so I whole thing with reason, but we're going to use to burn the chalice and them things. See, they say when I'm original version, they were saying blaze it over the gully there too. And the reason why they was over the gully, because, you know, Babylon system was down and it more at time. Alright. So, this one is titled, you know, Pass Me the Country, produced by Father Powell, you know, Mr. Powell, respect every time, Stone Love. So this one is one of those ones that when I go to Europe, I gotta do it because it's sweet and nice over there as well. Let's do it. So let's go.
Nature Ellis said, below how them legalize it. Long time them fist up from fighting. Pass me the fire, make me light it. Pass me the country. Pass me the chalice, make me feel it. Oh Lord, pass me the country. Don't you make me wanna fight. Pass me the country.
Yes, sir. Anyone bring them Skeptydubs like it one day and the other.
Ellis said, below how them legalize it. Long time them fist up from fighting. Pass me the fire, make me light it. Pass me the country. Pass me the chalice, make me feel it. The self-reliance, light up the country. They do and they wanna have that. Emmanuel Chin. Pass me the country. Pass me the chalice, make me feel it. Yes I am. Pass me the country. Don't you make me wanna have that. Peter touch burn it in a Buckingham Palace. Kalonji said, come on and let us light up the chalice. Me and the herb never yet in a malice. So this morning, but one pumping with a gladys. I tell you it was found on being a son that's brave, they say. Let you be constructive and let you be so brave. Pass me the country. Pass me the chalice, let me feel it. Oh Lord, pass me the country. Don't you make me wanna fight. Hey, pass me the country. Pass me the chalice, let me feel it. Oh yeah, yeah. Light up the country. Don't you make me wanna fight. Hey, in Amsterdam, everyone's smoking it up and they don't give a damn. So why you wanna fight it when the farmers prescribe it now? Scientists know it's true. Smoke by the red sea and the blue. It's good for asthma. Heal the cholera. So pass me the country. Pass me the chalice, let me feel it. Hold on, pass me the country. Don't you make me wanna have it. Hey, pass me the country. Pass me the chalice, let me feel every Emmanuel Chin. Light up the country. Self-reliance and wanna have it. Hey. Let me light up alone. Babylon won't be bring we overboard. But we light up the chalice and lost them in the cloud. Yeah. Whoa, yeah, yeah. They be lost in the cloud of smoke. Whoa. Pass me the country. Pass me the chalice, let me feel it. Hold up. Pass me the country. Don't you make me wanna have it. Hey, pass me the country. Pass me the chalice, let me feel it. Hold on, pass me the country. Don't you make me wanna have it. Yeah.
Rastafari, Love the item saying nature is presenting.
Dopa beg around 4, me I beg 1.
Yeah.
One I regular one sing either World Peace or Revolution. So Dopa beg around 5.
Singer, you know, so I beg one more too. You see that one I sing, love is the answer.
One me I beg you.
I beg you sing that one, but all of the massive them are there. Love is the answer, cause right about now, me I feel enough love from a friend them. See, the article love me I talk about. Yeah. So, you see after you sing my word, you sing Skeptydubs.
Well, people, it's a jam. This is some love the vibe too, you know. Thank God for the love for the life. See, because I say things the only thing we can do is spread the words of righteousness. You know what I mean? Because you know in an imperfect world, we're not perfect, but we have to get up every day and do our best to make this world a better place. For you and for me and the entire human race. So we got to wake up and talk to the man in the mirror and the woman in the mirror. So we're talking to ourselves and try to make ourselves better people in order to set a ripple effect to our neighbors and friends and families, you know what I mean? And to the entire universe, you know what I mean? So you can start with one stone and create ripples, you know what I mean? So keep doing what you're doing. What is it, Emmanuel Chain?
Sing, I'm not lying, you know. Anytime you sing, I know why you stop, you know. Yeah, I'm a singer, you know. Yeah, man. I'm too bad singer my power in my lifetime, you know. Ernest Wills down nature, Ellis, you know. Them not normal, you know, brother.
Yes.
When them man sing, I don't want them stop, I don't lie. Boom, bang.
John was that. At the birthday, brother, you know, so what we do? At birthday in attack, you know. Manuel Chain, you know. So I'm just going to sing. But you know, my birthday in the ramp for those swell up my head, you know, because the amount of great thing I'm surrounded by right now is that. Right now, John was that. I told them I train me well, you know. But listen to them very well and them tell me, say, take the notes of nature. So we are adults each one, they don't each one. But give thanks and love. Emmanuel Chain, you know, you're Earthstrong and doesn't show the love. Respect. So, Emmanuel Chain, we say, I'm alright, so you're going to play the rhythm of my favorite artist, Garnet Seal. Yeah, man, all the hydrant them in that place, whole self-reliance family. And whether you're in a self-reliance or no, once a day, you know, say, yo, Emmanuel Chain there, show the love and all these things. So at the end of the day, we could do it then. Respect to Garnet Silk, you don't know, and the whole entire Garnet family. Nature, Ellis, yeah, so that's it. You're good, my brother. You're good with you. I know. I will bless you, yeah. I will always do the good. Yes,
Emmanuel Chain. You know what you're smart. You're smart mother. Come again.
Original crap.
Delamos and Nature Ellis. They should know. Can't done.
Give thanks. Now, but you know, we have to remember the ones who came before us, you know. What Chain? Emmanuel Chain. You see, the amount of original we sing from the days I sing. I can sing original from now till the morning. And then we start singing again and sing more original and just go and sing for the whole week. That's the amount of original song we have. And we give thanks for that, for the inspiration from the Almighty and from the people, because we are from the people to the people. See? But you don't know. I want who don't know where the history and where you're coming from and forget the people who inspire you is like a tree without a root. So you see, Garnet Silk is one of my favorite reggae artists. Respect to Lucian as well, because them one day real great people in our earth same way. I show and I will love same way. See? Yeah man, just like the whole of my eye drink them round the eye same way right now. So let's do this to the point of the most guys. So this one. You're good, my brother. You're good with for you. I know. I will bless you, yeah. I will always do the good I can, for an hatred I can't stand. And I hope you feel the same way too. Goodness of your works will carry through. You've gone on to others, and I will do the same for you. Yeah, give me a chance, my friend. You will see what I'm saying is true. Love is the answer. True love from the Father. Love is the answer. True love from the Father. If your neighbor come begging you something, don't say go and come tomorrow. Give it know I know Jah will bless you, yeah. Love is the answer. True love from the Father. Love is the answer. Yes, you're good, my brother. And good will for you. I know Jah will bless you, yeah. I will always do the good and care for an hatred I can't stand. And I hope you feel the same way too. Goodness of your works will carry through. Do good unto others, and I will do the same for you. Oh, give it a chance, my friend. You will see what I'm saying is true. Love is the answer. True love from the Father. Love is the answer. True love from the Father. If your neighbor come begging you something, don't turn Lord for tomorrow. Give it up while you can. And I know Jah will bless you. Love is the answer. True love from the Father. Love is the answer. True love from the Father. True love, yeah, yeah. Love, yeah. Take it away. Well, the CEO of Self-Reliance, my request, you know, get a revolution and the world peace and trample the beast. But I said, Jah, guide and protect us in this I-1 forever. Mama, 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 papa, papa, sister, brother. Listen up, look up. The system got to change.
No job.
Hold on. Hey, Skepty. You think say Emmanuel Chin smart alone, the smart too. Run the truck!
Let's do this. To the power of the most high. Yeah man, this is me, Ellis representing. Respect Emmanuel Chin, Skeptydubs to the one Self-Reliance from it. But I said, Jah, guide and protect us in this I-1 forever. Mama, 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 papa, papa, sister, brother. Listen up. Hey, look up. System got to change. MC's gonna make me get it rearranged. We gonna change it. Watch out now, I said. Don't you know? Talking about a revolution song. Here you know. Don't you know? All the breath of the people's soul. Yeah. While they're standing in the mountain line, watch them now, right on the doorsteps of those so-called politicians, wasting time, acting like you're blind. I know them sit around, waiting on Babylon attention, and I say, don't you know, talking about a revolution sound. But I say, Almighty, guide and protect us in this I-1 forever. Mama, 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 papa, papa, sister, brother. Listen, yeah. Hey, look, yeah. The shit still got to change. Let's unite and get it rearranged. Right now, we gotta change it. Watch out now, I say. Don't you know? Talking about a revolution sound. In a country and town, don't you know? All the cry for the people's soul. Yeah, yeah, yeah. While they're standing in the voting lines, watch them now, crying out the doorsteps of those so-called politicians, wasting time, acting like you're blind, sitting around, waiting on attention. Don't you know, talking about a revolution song. Here you know, don't you know, how the cry of the people's soul. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, watch out, Babylon, you better wise up. I know you cannot escape out of it. Oh yeah. Right now the people rise up and defend what is theirs. Oh yeah, yeah. Too much blood, run, yeah, yeah. Too much blood, run, yeah. Finally the tables will have to turn. Talking about a revolution going down. Talking about a revolution going down. Talking about a revolution going down. Yeah, give thanks and praises to the Almighty. Yeah, feel the wind blowing. It's natural, it's twisted, nature. Run things. Let's say no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Time for justice. Well, it's what we're fighting for. Well, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Time for justice. When peace is what we're fighting for. When peace in the southwest, not the east. When peace, self-reliance fighting for. Hey, when peace, Emmanuel, Chin and nature, Ellis for the violence, see they watch you now. Down there in Nigeria, down there in South Africa, Sudan and Uganda, Ethiopia and all over Africa, right just so in Jamaica. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nature Ellis is chanting for justice, I say. Well, peace is what we're fighting for. Well, peace in the southwest, not the east. Well, peace, nature Ellis chanting for. Hey, well, peace, let crime and violence cease. Watch you now. Down there in Nigeria, down there in South Africa, Sudan and Uganda, Ethiopia and all over Africa, right just so in Jamaica, BNP, RJLP, Rasta Molly, they don't care who you are, they let them set us free, hey, well, in Australia, down there in North and South America, yeah. The spreading of HIV and all those evil STDs, all those nuclear weapons, all because of Bobby Ram Green. But when peace is worth the chanting for, when peace. Suicide bombers going all out. They wanna bomb you up and put you down. Spill blood all over town. Psychological warfare, raping women and children. Let's not use them whip. Now them I use them paper and pen. But justice is what we fighting for. Equal right and justice in the southwest, north and east, so we get the world back. Yeah, yeah. Nature, love the idea.
Yes, singer.
Yes, yeah. Yes, this is Nature. Ellis, when we talk about super chilling, don't know something.